Hello everyone. We are here to sell our fun munchkins. Yeah, it's for project. Here guys. Ay, maluoy mo hotda ninyo. Hotda bro, hotda men. Wala nila gihurot, walang hiya. Hello everyone, this is their victim. Aming victim.
Oh, yun.
Palita mong product nga worth it kayo guys. Worth it kayo palitan, promise. Oh, tanong naman nyo. Sa yawa ko. Kailan ako? Di ba yan? Yan, di ba tama ko? Oy! Yag nang buwang oy, bati kayo. Tanong na ako nyo. Bati kayo na ako.
Shut up, bitch!
Bitch daw.
Stop!
Agay!
Stop, bro! Stop!
Bitch daw. Nahugay mong naong. Agay! Help! Help! You're being recorded. Stop. You're being recorded. You have no rights.
Okay.
You have no rights. Agay!
Puyo, good kiss.
Don't worry. I am Puyo. Buy a product
5.
for piso. It's worth it. It's worth it to try, I swear. Try.
Pagpuyo,
Once you try it, you'll never regret it. Don't worry, I'm trying to make them laugh. Or ma-entertain po sila. Don't you want that? Am I right, guys? Guys, remember my famous word is my nigger.
Hello mga
What is bro talking about? What is bro yapping about? Look at this, guys. Watch, eat it, smell it, taste it. Shut up. Fuck. Why?
Mula to in the
Malaki ka. Mula ka.
Panabayo, ganaan butang ng labay, nabungkag na, that's why hilak ito.
Oh, you laughing, bro? It's not time to laugh.
Nagpilan eh.
Why? Ay, ma'am.
Pana?